Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you? So, one of the things that I really like about having an embroidery machine is I can stitch up a gift fairly quickly. And this is going to be one that is going to be gifted today in just a little bit to the man and his wife that we purchased firewood from. And, I thought it would be kind of nice to, you know, stitch up something for him. I mean, he's uh, made himself available to us to uh, pick up the wood. So my husband will be going over to get another load. We're trying to get ours in this year before it gets very cold and stuff, and before he runs out, because he ran out last year and we had a late cold snap, and I'll tell you, it was a little cold. I love heating with firewood. I mean, I've grown up, my grandmother had a big wood stove, and I've had one my adult life, or at least since I have moved to Oklahoma, and I'll get this. I even took that thing up to Kansas City when we moved up there, and then we brought it back. But this design right here is one that I digitized. I don't know if it was my last year when I was digitizing or the year before, but yeah, I sold quite a few of these. I had a whole set that I digitized and people bought. Some people like satin stitches for everything, like the lettering and stuff, but I don't know. In my kitchen, we use all of our towels, and if you could see my embroidered towels, they're stained like nobody's business. I mean, I'll do spaghetti sauce. It don't matter, it don't matter. But I'm just trimming up some hairs here, or fine threads. But yeah, I like that, and that was just, I don't know, one of 5 or 6 little baking type things for the North Pole that I did. Anyway, I hope that they like it, and this will be gift number 2, I guess, that I'm making to give away. Sorry about that. It is the pollen's really high here, and it's gotten to me the past couple of days. But then again, I've been out trying to deal with some leaves and stuff. But anyway, this one's going to be going out the door probably in about 30 minutes. So nothing like cutting it short, huh? I will talk to you later, and let me know if you like it. Bye.